Hey guys, we're back. So I'm actually back because my recorder broke, as you probably know. But we're doing a review on the best shotgun.
He's very boy.
Available now. I already have both of those, so 5 likes for if you want another review, because this is a double barrel shotgun review. Oh, it's no good. This thing is OP if they have no armor. Ow. Well, if the people have five or five less or no armor, you'll basically one shot them. This guy's got some armor. So with one of us, you take him down easy. Come on, jeez. So I got the extra suit right away because this thing will go really freaking slow. I said fridge. You'll go really slow with this thing. So I just went ahead and just got this stuff. Thing goes really fast. This thing goes really fast. It's faster than the normal shotgun, and it does lots more damage. Well, the normal shotgun is pretty good, actually. I'd say the normal shotgun actually does as much power as a revolver, but it shoots slower. I made that with my teeth, like. Let's eat some ice cream. Oh boy! So if you take up all your ammo, it'll take some time to reload, you know. So let's reload. That took, I'd say, like 10 seconds. Yeah, but we got infinite ammo, so what should keep up? Oh, this is awesome, okay? That's what. Whoa, Jesus, went very fast. I'm going for laser. Ow. Yeah, we did it. We did it. Sounds weird. Oh, 16 colors. Horrible. Horrible. So that was it. Remember, 5 likes for another review, and I don't know what I'll do. If I get 5 likes, you guys should choose the next gun you want me to review. Peace! Or you could do any armor. Head, body is okay. Ooh, Panzer! Ooh, this kind of cool. Oh god. What am I doing? I should end the video. So bye. That was a pleasure. Bye. See ya.